Exercise 17. Yet another exercise from my seventh set of practice exercises on the SAT. In this one, I have titled it as Algebraic Manipulations, but I think that it should be one of those exercises that all of us should definitely get in our own advantage. What it says is that if t equals 3, so we were given a specific value of the variable, what would the value of 15t minus 10t is? First of all, 15t minus 10t, it's only there to trick us because they're using the same variable, so 15t minus 10t should be equal to 5t, and then we know that when t is 3, all that, the corresponding output value, would just be 5 times 3 equals to 15. So that's it. A super easy, if you ask me, question. And I would normally say, I hope it helped, but I really, really hope that none of you needed a help on this one. As always, however, if you found this and the other videos and my resources useful, don't forget to support me through liking and subscribing. As always, thank you for watching.